Hello, young scholars. Welcome to another amazing English class with Ms. Damilola. Today we'll be talking about conjunctions. Can you say that? Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or sentences. Conjunctions, they connect what? Words, phrases, or sentences. As you can see in the example, I like reading books and I like playing football. These are two sentences combined together with the use of what? And. We have different types of conjunctions, but we'll be talking about three today, which is, they are majorly three, right? And, but, and or. And is to add or join. But is to contrast or show difference. And or is to show choice or option. Using hand. We use and to add or join words, phrases, or sentences. As you can see in the examples below, I like reading books and I like playing football. She is smart and she is kind. Can you see the way and is used in the two sentences? Using but. We use but to contrast or show difference. I like reading books, but I don't like watching TV. He is tall, but his brother is short. Can you see the way the word but is used to show differences? Using or, we use or to show choice or option. Look at the examples below. Do you like reading books or playing football? Which one do you prefer? She can go to the park or stay home. It's practice time, and I hope you've learned something about conjunctions today. So use conjunctions to connect the sentences. The first one, I like reading books dash playing football. She is smart dash kind. I like reading books dash watching TV. Do you like reading books dash playing football? So make use of the appropriate conjunctions to complete the sentences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.